Well, hello again, everybody. Welcome back to day 13. Can you believe it? Seriously, I am just absolutely shocked, it seems, every single day at how quickly time is flying by. We're on day 13 or tip 13 already, and well, that just means that we're awful close to Christmas Day. So, wow. Anyways, God bless you all. I'm so glad that you guys have been tracking with us over these 25 days of mental health tips and tricks. This is our version of Vlogmas for you guys, and it's kind of an exciting thing. I have really very much enjoyed the opportunity to be able to bring some like little tips and tricks to you guys. We've said many times already, but it bears a chance again to say it because, like, what if this is your first time catching us? It could happen. But what we are doing here is, like I said, our version of Vlogmas. We're doing 25 days of tips and tricks for mental health. And what we're doing is we're doing tips that are on the normal scale, so to speak, if you will. And basically in those normal scale tips, what we're trying to do is take it and give you the normal scale tip and then show you within the mental health area of how you can accomplish it. Because stigma is here. Stigma is just, that's where it's at for some reason with regards to mental health. And we are here to try and break that stigma. We're here to try and show you that you can take the normal scale things and you can still function through it with mental health challenges. So like I said, we're on day 13. Today's mental health tip and trick is, I would say, probably one of the most difficult ones of all that I've done so far. And it's not that it is a difficult thing to accomplish. That's not what I mean. What I mean is other people seem to have a difficulty accomplishing this specific tip and or trick with people that are struggling with mental health. And I find that it seems to be that people are rude with regards to this specific thing. And I loathe to say that I have lived that in my life. I have lived it, and it may not necessarily be towards me, but towards somebody else. I consider it to be almost like a bullying type of thing. And it bothered me always, even as a young person, it bothered me to see, like, let's say the underdog, so to speak, not really realizing as a young person that I was going to be an underdog as well. But it's one of those things. So let's just get on with it and I will explain it to you. So day 13 is love well. Now I want to read the scripture to you first, and then we'll discuss it more. So I'm going to take off my glasses because I don't have transitions, and I need to have my reading glasses, and I don't want to do that. So anyways, 1 Corinthians 13:4-8 says, love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. I think that's incredible. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always loves, always hopes, always preserves. Love never fails, but where there are prophecies, they will cease. Where there are tongues, they will be stilled. Where there is knowledge, it will pass away. So basically what that is saying with our tip today of day 13 of Love Well, it is saying all of these things, what true love is, that it is patient and that it is kind and it doesn't envy and it doesn't have self-seeking. It doesn't do any of those things. It doesn't hold an account. That can be a difficult thing, and I know that. But I believe that Love well speaks for itself, that tip. And we in the mental health community can look at that and say, hey, we can love well and follow this scripture where we're patient with other people and we're loving and we're kind. Now, why I was saying earlier that this often is against people with mental health, other people who maybe don't have mental health issues or are on the normal scale, if you are tracking with me there. Sometimes these people that are on the normal scale can be really rude to people with mental health issues. So it's like they are perpetuating the stigma that comes along with mental health. So if we take the tip of loving well, that means that we are loving people regardless of what they are going through, regardless of, say for instance, their mental health issue is greater, or our view of their mental health issue is greater than what maybe we have. Maybe they're suffering from something that we are not suffering from, and so we feel that it is a greater thing. Then we just need to love them for who they are. Look for positive things, look for good things in them. Don't look for negative things, don't look for those things. Be patient and loving and kind with them. Don't hold an account. Those are important things. But that is it for today. God bless you all, and we will see you tomorrow for day 14 already. Wow. Anyway, bye for now. Love you.